If you've ever wanted to export only a specific part of a video in CapCut without rendering the entire project, this tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. Maybe you only need one clip, one section, or a highlight from a longer edit. Whatever the reason, CapCut makes it very easy to isolate just the part you want and export it cleanly. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps on CapCut PC, and by the end, you'll know how to trim your timeline, keep only the section you need, and export just that segment as its own video. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more simple editing guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Make sure you're working inside the correct project, because the export process will follow whatever is on your timeline. Once your project is open, add the video to the timeline if it isn't already there. This is the clip you want to cut down into a smaller section. At this point, you should be able to see the full video laid out across the timeline, which makes it much easier to choose the exact part you want to keep. Now move the playhead to the start of the section you want to export. The playhead is the vertical line that shows your current position in the video. You can drag it manually, or use the timeline controls to place it exactly where your clip should begin. Getting this start point right is important because it defines the first frame of the section you'll keep. Once the playhead is in the right spot, click Split on the toolbar above the timeline, or simply press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. This will cut the clip at the playhead position and create a separate piece. If you're trying to work faster, the keyboard shortcut is usually the easiest option. Now that the video is split at the start point, you've created a boundary for the section you want to export. Next, move the playhead to the end of the section you want to keep. Again, make sure you place it carefully so the exported clip includes exactly the part you need and nothing extra. When you've found the correct ending point, click Split again, or use Ctrl+B one more time. Now your timeline should have three parts: the section before your selection, the section you want to keep, and the section after it. At this stage, you need to delete the parts of the video before and after the section you want to keep. Click on the unwanted clip segments and remove them from the timeline. What should remain is only the middle section you actually want to export. This is the key step that makes CapCut export only the specific part of the video instead of the whole project. Before exporting, take a moment to preview the remaining clip and make sure it's correct. Play it from beginning to end and check that the start and end points are exactly where you want them. If anything feels off, you can always undo and adjust the split points before exporting. It's much better to double-check now than to export the wrong section and have to go back and do it again. Once you're happy with the clip, click Export in the top right corner. This opens the export settings where you can choose your format, resolution, frame rate, and file location. Pick the settings that match your project needs. If you're sharing online, you'll usually want a good balance of quality and file size. After that, click Export again to render the selected section as its own video. And that's it. You've now learned how to export a specific part of a video in CapCut using simple split and delete steps. This is a super useful workflow when you only need one section of a longer video, or when you want to save time by exporting just a highlight, intro, or short clip. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.